Everyone, welcome back to the car updates. This latest iteration of the Prado builds on its legacy of reliability and off-road prowess, while embracing cutting-edge technology and a refined design. Whether you're an adventurer, a family driver, or someone seeking the perfect mix of power and elegance, this SUV promises to impress. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado a standout in its class. The exterior of the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado is a blend of tradition and innovation. Its bold, boxy silhouette pays homage to its heritage while incorporating modern styling cues. The front fascia is dominated by a massive grille with chrome accents, flanked by sleek LED headlights that offer excellent visibility. The sculpted hood and flared wheel arches emphasize its rugged character, while 20-inch alloy wheels and all-terrain tires ensure it's ready for any challenge. The rear features a clean, contemporary look with LED tail lights and a practical power tailgate, adding convenience to its ruggedness. Under the hood, the Prado comes equipped with Toyota's 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures both efficiency and performance. For those who crave even more power, Toyota offers an optional hybrid powertrain, blending electric efficiency with the robust performance the Prado is known for. The hybrid option not only delivers additional torque, but also reduces fuel consumption, making it a more environmentally friendly choice for drivers. Off-road capability has always been a hallmark of the Prado, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. Toyota's advanced multi-terrain select system lets drivers customize their driving experience for conditions like sand, mud, and rock. Coupled with a low-range transfer case, locking differentials, and impressive ground clearance, the Prado is built to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. Adaptive variable suspension provides excellent ride comfort on highways and maximum articulation when off-roading. Hill descent control, crawl control, and a 360-degree off-road camera further enhance its capabilities, ensuring you're in control no matter where the road or trail takes you. Step inside and you'll find a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. The 2025 Prado offers seating for up to 7 passengers, with premium leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and ample legroom in all rows. The dashboard is dominated by a large 14-inch touchscreen display running Toyota's latest infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver display complements the setup, providing essential information in an easily accessible format. The JBL premium sound system ensures that every journey is accompanied by exceptional audio quality, whether you're in the city or the wilderness. Practicality is also a major focus. With a configurable rear cargo space and fold-flat third-row seating, the Prado provides plenty of room for gear, groceries, or luggage. The powered tailgate and hands-free access make loading and unloading effortless, while numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin keep smaller items organized and accessible. Toyota has prioritized safety, equipping the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado with the Toyota Safety Sense Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. New for this model is a rear cross-traffic braking system and an enhanced parking assist feature, which makes maneuvering this large SUV easier than ever. A reinforced frame and advanced airbags provide added peace of mind for families. What sets the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado apart is its versatility. Few vehicles can match its ability to seamlessly transition from a rugged off-road machine to a comfortable family SUV. It's equally at home climbing rocky trails as it is cruising city streets or taking long road trips. The hybrid option adds a layer of eco-consciousness, making it a smart choice for modern drivers who want to minimize their environmental impact without sacrificing performance. As we wrap up, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado stands out as a testament to Toyota's commitment to durability, innovation, and luxury. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates a reliable and well-crafted SUV, the Prado delivers on all fronts. With its updated design, advanced features, and impressive performance, it's clear that this model will continue the legacy of one of the most respected names in SUVs. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments, what are your favorite features of the new Prado? Are you ready to take it for a spin? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.